Guess what day it is? It's Friday. And we're going to talk about putting a grain coat on it. You know what I mean. Welcome to this Friday Quickie, and today we're talking about shooting in the rain. And one little trick you can do to maintain no moisture gets on that front lens of yours. Now you can use your lens cap, which you have to reach down there. It's kind of a pain to put on and off. Or you can take a trip to the dollar store. Pick up a shower cap. You get these for like 10 for a buck. They go over your lens, help protect your lens, sometimes all the lens depending on how long it is. And it just stays there with the elastic. It makes keeping your lens dry a little bit easier. And they're really quick to pull off. Let's see you remove your lens cap that fast. So, when you're done, in between shots, shower cap on. And that's gonna help you maintain a dry lens when shooting in the rain. So, just live by this. Don't forget, if it's gonna get wet, put a jacket on it. I'm Will. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have some more tips coming up. Peace.